Siokon. No, my congratulations to DepEd Region 9 and the Regional Director to have this Zebra, no, 2025 for this day. No, palakpakan natin ang DepEd Region 9 headed by our Regional Director and all our men and women, no, our officiating officials and officials of DepEd Region 9. Much more, my salute to the bravery, the courage of our host mayor, for bidding to be the host of this year's Zebra. Palakpakan natin si Mayor Soriano. I heard last night, umaapaw sa saya ang Siokon with the Mayor's Night. Palakpakan natin. Salamat kayo, Mayor, for your